Ever wondered where ideas like freedom, equality, and reason came from? These concepts were born during a transformative period called the Enlightenment, an intellectual movement that reshaped the way we think about society, science, and humanity. The Enlightenment was an intellectual and cultural movement that swept across Europe in the 17th and 18th centuries. It emphasized reason, science, and individual rights over tradition, superstition, and authoritarian rule. Think of it as a giant light bulb moment for humanity. People began questioning old systems of power and knowledge, seeking answers through logic and evidence instead. One of the key principles of the Enlightenment was reason. Philosophers of the time believed that humans could use their rational minds to understand the world and improve society. Descartes famously declared, "I think, therefore I am," emphasizing the power of human thought. Newton's groundbreaking work in physics showed how natural laws govern the universe. Another cornerstone of the Enlightenment was individualism. Thinkers like John Locke argued that every person has inherent rights to life, liberty, and property. His ideas laid the foundation for modern democracy, influencing documents like the US Declaration of Independence. Meanwhile, Rousseau championed the concept of the social contract, suggesting that governments should serve the people, not the other way around. But the Enlightenment wasn't just about abstract philosophy. It sparked real world change. The movement fueled the American Revolution and the French Revolution, both of which sought to overthrow oppressive monarchies and create societies based on equality and justice. Writers like Voltaire used satire to criticize corruption and religious intolerance, while Mary Wollstonecraft pushed for women's rights, arguing that women deserved the same opportunities as men. Modern values like freedom of speech, separation of church and state, and the pursuit of knowledge all trace their roots back to this era. Even scientific progress owes a debt to Enlightenment thinkers who championed experimentation and skepticism. Without them, we might still be stuck relying on myths and dogma to explain the world. Public education systems exist because Enlightenment thinkers believed knowledge should be accessible to everyone, not just the elite. Similarly, the rise of secular governments reflects the Enlightenment's push to separate religion from politics.